How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz, Ph.D. Introduction and Chapter 1. What is day trading? Andrew Aziz begins by explaining what day trading is: buying and selling stocks within the same day, never holding overnight. He warns that many people think it's easy money, but in fact it is risky and needs discipline. Only a few will succeed. He contrasts day trading with swing trading, holding for days or weeks, and shows why day trading is different, faster, more stress, more decisions. He also describes how institutional traders, big firms, and retail traders, people like you and me, behave differently, and why we must understand that we face competition from very fast and powerful players. Chapter 2. How Day Trading Works. This chapter digs deeper into buying and selling. Buying long. You buy expecting price to go up. Selling short. You borrow stock and sell, hoping to buy back later at a lower price, expecting price to fall. He also compares retail versus institutional again, and emphasizes that speed and tools matter in day trading. He discusses market mechanics, how orders are placed, how price moves, how volume matters. Chapter 3. Risk and Account Management. Risk is a big focus. Aziz gives a 3-step plan for risk control, e.g., how much to risk per trade, how to use stop losses. A key rule he suggests is never risk more than 2% of your trading account on one trade. He discusses position sizing, choosing how many shares to trade, which depends on how much you are willing to lose if the trade fails. He also ties risk management to psychology. You must accept that losing trades will happen. He encourages making a plan before entering a trade and sticking to it. Don't change your mind mid-trade based on emotion. Chapter 4. How to Find Stocks for Trades. In this chapter, Aziz teaches how to find good candidate stocks, ones that might move, using scanners. He introduces the concept stocks in play, stocks that are active, with strong price moves or news. He shows how to set up real-time intraday scans, software filters, and pre-market scans to detect such stocks before the market opens. He emphasizes the need to plan trades ahead. Before the market opens, you choose which stocks to watch and set criteria for entry and exit. Chapter 5. Tools, Platforms, and Brokers. Aziz talks about what you need: a good broker, a fast trading platform, and reliable market data feed. He explains what features to look for in brokers: low latency, low fees, reliable execution. He also describes how traders build a watch list and use scanners continuously. He mentions the value of being part of a community of traders, where people can share ideas, teach, and learn together. Chapter 6. Candlestick Charts and Patterns. He introduces candlestick charts, a way to see price action visually. Each candle shows open, high, low, close. He explains key candlestick types like spinning tops, small real body, long wicks, doji, open and close almost same, hammer, shooting star, etc. These candlesticks often signal indecision or trend reversal when seen in certain places. But Aziz warns, a single candlestick is not enough. You must confirm with additional signals: volume, trend lines, support, resistance. Chapter 7. Important Day Trading Strategies. This is one of the most action chapters. Aziz shares strategy types and how he applies them. Some strategies he discusses. 1. ABCD pattern. A, B, C, D points make a shape. You enter at C expecting move to D. 2. Bull flag. Momentum. After a strong move up, the price flags sideways or dips a bit, then breaks up again. 3. Reversal strategies. Catching turns when price is overbought or oversold. But be careful. Don't jump in too early. Wait for confirmation. 4. VWAP. Volume weighted average price. A special line that shows average price weighted by volume. Traders use when price is above or below VWAP to decide buyer-seller dominance. 5. Opening range breakout. ORB. Use the first 5 to 15 minutes after market open to set a price range. If price breaks above or below that range, you trade in direction of the breakout. He explains how to manage trades after entering, scaling in, out, adjusting stop loss, taking partial profits. He strongly argues against averaging down, adding to a losing position for day traders. It often leads to big losses. Chapter 8, and further, developing your trading plan and psychology. He talks about creating your own trading plan, rules for entry/exit, risk, position sizing, etc. He emphasizes the idea of being process-oriented. Focus on doing the right process, not obsessing over making money every trade. He covers trading psychology deeply. Fear, greed, revenge, trading, overconfidence, etc. You must control these emotions. He suggests keeping a trading journal. Record why you entered, how you felt, mistakes, and learn from them. He also emphasizes continuous learning and adaptation. Markets change, so you must change too. Conclusion and summary. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a serious skill, like a profession. Success comes with discipline, planning, risk control, and emotional control. Tools and strategies matter, but mindset is equally, if not more, important. Even the best traders lose sometimes, but good ones lose small and let winners run. He encourages practice, patience, and continuous improvement. My thoughts and reflections. Reading How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz was like entering a new, exciting world full of charts, patterns, and decisions. At first, it seemed complicated, but as I read, I saw a method and logic behind it. Here are my reflections. What I liked most. The book is practical. Aziz doesn't only tell you theory, he gives real strategies, ABCD, ORB, VWAP, and shows how to apply them. Emphasis on risk is refreshing. Many trading beginners ignore risk and just chase money. Aziz repeatedly tells you, protect your capital first. The psychological parts are strong. He does not shy away from telling you that emotions, fear, greed, regret, are your biggest enemy. The structure is good. From basics to tools to strategies to mindset, it feels like a step-by-step journey. He also warns you many times, don't expect to be rich overnight. That honesty helps set realistic expectations. What was harder? What I wondered. Some parts are technical. Candlestick types, scanning software, data feed. For someone new, they might feel overwhelming. The strategies are good, but they are not guaranteed to always work. Market conditions change, and sometimes even good setups fail. Managing emotions is very hard in real life. Reading about it is one thing. Doing it when you see your money online is harder. The book sometimes refers to community tools or trader groups which may cost extra, so a beginner might feel pressure to spend more money. What I learned, takeaways. Before doing anything with real money, practice with a simulator for months. This helps you make mistakes safely. Always use a stop loss, a rule that closes a trade if it goes wrong. This protects you from big losses. Plan your trades before the market opens. Choose stocks, set entry-exit rules. Now just watch price and act. Be consistent, follow your plan. Don't change it mid-trade because of emotions. Keep a journal of trades and your feelings. This is how you grow and see patterns in your mistakes. My final reflection. This book taught me that trading is not magic. It's more like a sport or science. You train, refine your methods, control your mind, and slowly improve. The mindset part is especially important. You must accept losses and not let them ruin your confidence. Reading this book gave me a roadmap. If I wanted to try day trading, I would follow the steps. Learn, practice, plan, control risk, keep emotions in check, and never stop learning. I also feel a sense of respect. Day trading is tougher than it looks. Many people fail because they underestimate it. But the book gives hope. With effort, discipline, and smart strategies, success is possible. It doesn't promise riches overnight, but but it shows you how to build a foundation. For me, the biggest value is understanding risk and mindset. Even if I don't day trade often, these lessons about planning, discipline, and emotional control are useful in many areas of life, like studying, sports, and decision-making. 5 encouraging sentences to you. 1. Every mistake you make in trading is a lesson. Use it to grow stronger and wiser. 2. Stay calm when markets shake. Discipline and steady mindset win in the long run. 3. Protect your capital first. You can only build success when your foundation is safe. 4. Follow your plan, control your risk, and your consistency will lead to progress. 5. Believe in your process. With patience and practice, your trading skills will improve day by day. The end. Like this video if you want more insights, and subscribe for more brilliant thoughts.